Are you seeing designers use cool new features like sketch to vector, renaming bulk layers, or dynamic text, and wondering why they are not in your version of Illustrator or Photoshop? It's because the cutting edge of Adobe development is in the beta apps first. Today, I'm going to show you how to jump the line, get these tools right now. Getting set up is easy. Open your Creative Cloud desktop app or go to adobe.com. It's a common mistake. Most people go hunting through the main all app list and come up empty. Don't do that. Instead, right at the top, you'll see the Beta Apps tab. That's where the magic happens. In here, you'll find the beta version of Illustrator, Photoshop, InDesign, and even Premiere Pro, and more. If you haven't tried them yet, just hit install. If they're already there, click open to see what's new. And that's it. If you found this helpful, subscribe, share with others, and check out my other tutorials. And I'll see you in the next one.